We wanted to show you some exciting new features within Sage BusinessWorks 2025. You asked, we listened. Most of these ideas came from your feedback on the Sage BusinessWorks idea site. Exciting new features include a backup scheduling tool, which allows you to automate your regular backups. You can back them up daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. We also include now a Find button on the bank reconciliation screen. This allows you to search transactions in your bank reconciliation. We have an income statement by month that shows a column with each month within a year of your income statement. The database update screen is now larger and has the ability to select and deselect all companies. We are going to secure your direct deposit advices. So you're going to protect those payroll direct deposit advices by encrypting the PDF that's attached to the email when you email them to an employee. And the only way that they can be unlocked is with the last 4 digits of the employee's social security number. The positive pay report is now going to have a filter to allow it to include voided transactions. Let's do a quick demonstration of each of these features. An exciting new feature to Sage BusinessWorks 2025 is the ability to schedule an automatic backup. I'm going to go to File and Backup Scheduler, and then the Sage BusinessWorks Backup Scheduler will appear. This tool does require that you have an active customer care plan in order to be able to run the backups. You can schedule a backup without a support plan, but they will not run unless your plan is active. Also, make sure that the computer that you schedule this backup on does remain powered on during your scheduled backup times. And these backups are only visible on the machine in which you store them. We're going to go ahead and show a quick demonstration on how to use this tool. We're going to click the ellipsis in order to choose a destination folder. We're going to choose the C BW backup folder to make this backup in. We're going to hit next. We're going to back up the sample company. You do want to schedule these backups to occur as frequently as you use the program for your actual companies. And system only needs to be backed up like once a month or once a year. In this case, we're going to schedule the backup frequency as daily. As you see, we can do weekly, monthly, or yearly. And by default, it's always going to schedule the backup to occur shortly before midnight. For individual companies, it will default to around 11:59 p.m. And for the system backup, it will be 10 o'clock p.m. The key with the system is it does need to be at a separate time than the rest of the companies, because you do need to have the same exclusive lock as a normal backup, so they need to occur at different times. I'm going to go ahead and hit finish. And this is the demo of the automatic backup. Another new feature is the ability to search the bank reconciliation for a specific transaction type, reference number, date, description, or amount. You simply click the Find button, enter in the value that you would like to search for, and click OK. It will take you to the first transaction that matches that criteria. Click Find Next to find the next transaction. This will allow you to easily search your bank reconciliation for a specific transaction. Another new feature is the income statement by month. You can find this under General Ledger, Reports, Income Statements, Comparative. If your reports default to another report, click the 3 dots and then choose the income statement by month. The income statement by month is available for your current year or any previous year within your months to keep history. You can run it by calendar year or fiscal year, and you can consolidate it by account and department. Go ahead and preview this report. You'll notice it's going to show a month by month comparison of the income statement. You may also take this information and export it to Excel. You may then edit this information, removing unwanted fields or changing the format. We have also updated our database update screen. With the new updated screen, you'll be able to see more companies listed in one screen without having to use the scroll bar. And you'll also be able to select all companies or deselect all companies with a single click. So if you want to only update just a couple companies, you can deselect all and then select just those companies you want to update and then hit Start. In 2025, the direct deposit advices that are emailed to employees are now encrypted. The requirements remain the same for the employees, to receive email advice. If you go under Maintain Employees, the employee does need to have direct deposit set up and the email advices option selected, must also have an email address on file as well as a social security number. If there's no social security number, we will be unable to save the employee record, the same with the email address. You would go through your normal payroll processing, and when it comes time to print the payroll checks, you need to ensure that direct deposit is selected and that you choose the email option. The very first time you access the direct deposit email button in each company, you'll receive an information message providing you with the messaging that the employee will need to use the last 4 digits of their social security number to open the email advice. Okay? And then the rest of the emailing process is going to be the same. So we're going to skip through that and then I'll show you the finalized email advice and how it looks for the employee to unlock it. Once the employee opens up the PDF attached to the email, they will enter the password to decrypt the attached PDF file. And that password is going to be the last 4 digits of their social security number. And then you click Open File. The file is going to be available the same way that it would have been if you emailed it before. It's the only difference is it's now protected for your security. And last but not least is the feature to use the positive pay report to filter out or add voided transactions. As you see now, when you go to run the positive pay report, you have the ability to filter by cash account, check date, include EFTs, include payroll checks, and new, you have the ability to include voided checks, yes, no, or only. So if you want to run the positive pay report only for your voided checks, you now have that capability. Just want to thank you for watching our new features of Sage BusinessWorks 2025 video. Don't forget you can download Sage BusinessWorks 2025 at www.sagekb.com. Choose Sage BusinessWorks as your product and then hit the download button.